Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are comfortable. Close your eyes. Rest your hands in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this breathing again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Continue this breathing a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. In this meditation, we will be counting our breaths. Our brains love to wander here and there, visiting whatever thoughts it wants. But by focusing on our breathing and counting our exhales, it will help us to practice focusing our mind. In a moment, I will ask you to count your breaths up to 5. Count every exhale. Your mind will get tired of counting and will try to think of whatever it wants. But try to think of nothing but the number of breaths that you've counted so far. If it helps, picture each number in your mind as if you were looking at it in front of you. Let's try it. Breathe naturally. Don't rush. The slower the better. Count 5 exhales at your own pace. Then just relax. Did your mind wander and random thoughts popped up? That's okay. That's what your mind likes to do. Let's try counting 5 more breaths on the exhale. Picture the number in your mind. Because you are counting, your mind may try to get you to rush your breaths. Try not to speed them up. Slow them down instead. Just count. On the exhale, begin counting 5 breaths. Your breathing might be slower now that you are more relaxed. See if you can count your breaths all the way to 10. See if you can stay focused on the number as you count. Don't rush. The slower the better. Nice and slow and easy. Now just relax and enjoy the rest of your mindful minute. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you're ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find all that's good in your day.